Hi everyone, you're welcome to my Java course for beginners to experts. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn operators in Java. So let's start. Operators in Java. What is operators? Operators in Java is a symbol which is used to perform operations. For example, plus, minus, multiplication and division. There are many types of operators in Java which are given below. Number 1, unary operator. Number 2, arithmetic operator, shift operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary operator, assignment operator. So these all are the operators in Java. We will discuss each and every one in detail. So first we will discuss about the unary operator. What is unary operator? The Java unary operators require only one operand. Unary operators are used to perform various operations. So first is what is operand? What is operand? What is operand? In the unary operator, we need only one operand. It means to perform any operation, we need only one variable. Like if a plus plus. So here we are using only one operand to increasing the value of a by 1. That's why unary operator use only one operand because we perform operation on one operand. So the unary operator operations are: number 1, incrementing a value by 1 and decrementing a value by 1. So unary operator basically used to increment value by 1 or decrement a value by 1 of a variable. So here are some expression. So we will discuss how the unary operator is increasing and decreasing the value of a variable. So here are the expression like y equal to plus plus x, y equal to x plus plus, y equal to minus minus x, and y equal to x minus minus. Okay, so let's suppose the initial value of x, is 4, 4, 4 and 4. So first we will discuss about this expression. What is the final value of x and what is the final value of y after executing this expression? So plus plus x, what is the use of plus plus? Because we are using plus plus before the variable. So the plus plus before the variable increase the value of x by 1. So increasing the value of by 1, so 4 become 5, and then it will assign the value of x to the y. So the final value of y also will be 5. Now the expression y equal to x plus plus. In the x plus plus, this is a pre-increment. This called the post increment. In the post increment, first the value is assigned to the variable and then the value will be increment. So in this case the value of x, which is 4, will assign to the y first, then it will increase the value of x by 1. So the value of y will be 4 because the value is assigned first, then increment of the value x. So the final value of x will be y. Okay, now the y equal to minus minus x. What is the final value of x and y in this expression? This is the pre-decrement operator. In the pre-decrement operator, it decrement the value of a variable before assigning. So here the value of x is 4. So this operator will decrement the 4 by 1. So the value of x will be 3. So final value of x will be 3. Then it will assign the value of x to the y, which is 3. So the final value of y also 3. Now in this expression, which is y equal to x minus minus, this is called post decrement. In the post decrement, first variable value is assigned to the other variable and then it will decrement the value by 1. So in this case the value of x is 4, which is assigned to the y first. So the final value of y will be 4. Y will be 4, and then it will decrement the value of x by 1. So the value of x will be 3. So now you can see what is the result, final result of all these expressions. After the execution of these expressions, what will be the result? What is the final value of x and y? So now you can get how the pre-increment and post-increment, pre-decrement and post-decrement operator works. Note 1. We can apply increment and decrement only for variables but not for constant values. It means if you try to 4 plus plus, it will give error because you are applying the increment operator on a constant. So you cannot apply a pre-increment post increment value or post increment operator on the constant. If you apply any unary operator on the constant, it will give an error. What is error? Compile time error, unexpected type, found value, required variable. Okay, next one, note number 2. Nesting of the increment and decrement operators is not allowed, otherwise we will get compile time error. What does it mean? Like int x equal to 4, int x equal to 4. Now you are nesting of increment or decrement operator. Nesting means plus plus then x plus plus. So it will give error. Why this give error? Because let's suppose if because this curly braces, because this braces, this equation will solve first. So here 4x plus plus become 5. So the result will be plus plus 5. And we know that we cannot apply increment and decrement operator on the constant. That's why it will give error. The same error, compile time error, unexpected type, found value, required variable. Okay, now we can apply increment and decrement operators for every primitive types except Boolean type. We cannot apply increment and decrement operator on the Boolean type. We can apply increment and decrement operator on double type, float type, long type, int type, short, wide, everyone. So here we apply d plus plus and print the value of d, the result will be 11.5. So the value of d is increasing by 1. If you apply the increment and decrement operator on the character type, like here ch is assigned with a value a, then you are applying plus plus operator, then you will get the result b. So you can apply the unary operator on character type as well. But if you try to apply your unary operator on the boolean type, you will get the error. What is the error? Compile time error. Operator plus plus cannot apply to boolean. Now we will discuss about the what is the difference between b plus plus. Very important question. What is the difference between b plus plus and b equal to b plus 1? Now let's see. Suppose if you define a byte b equal to 10 and b plus plus, the output will be 11. Okay, no problem. Now see what happened. Byte b equal to 10. If you b plus 1, if you do this b plus 1, you need to typecast it byte, because the result of this b plus 1 is not a byte type. The result of this b plus 1 is int type. That's why we need to convert it into byte type. What is the reason behind it? The reason is in b plus plus, byte b plus 1, internal typecasting happened automatically. Means in case of b plus plus, this is happening automatically. But in case of b equal to b plus 1, you need to explicitly typecasting, like b equal to byte b plus 1. What is typecasting? We will learn in upcoming videos lecture, but here you should know only that we are converting the int data type. The result of this will be int. The result of b plus 1 will be int. That's why we need to convert this int to byte, so that the b can hold the result byte type. Okay, so thank you for watching this video lecture, and in this video lecture we learn the unary operator. In next video we learn the arithmetic operators in Java. So thank you for watching this video lecture, and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Java.